So it was not easy. Yeah, it was not easy. It was so difficult because we had to do most of the things ourselves.
Okay.
Yes.
How are you prepared in 2024 as you the cast?
Pardon?
How are you prepared as you the cast in 2024?
Actually, 2024, I am working with another film company at the moment. I'm working with Vibe Films, and I have a project running on. That is why I was here late, because I'm from set here.
What are some of the challenges that you girls face in this film industry?
Disrespect, yes, and manipulation from the producers and some directors, yes. And we're always bullied as girls, because it's going to tell you that if you don't do this, I'm not going to cast you, or even after casting you, I'm going to put you halfway. So you find yourself doing things you're not supposed to do because you want the role. Yeah, and at the end of the day, sometimes you're not even put on the cast after even opening your legs. So I've seen a lot of girls go through that, and it is not good, what you say more director.
What are the achievements so far? What are you doing up to now?
The achievements, well, that's a tough question, because I do a lot of things, so I can't know if this is from acting, or this is from my business, or this is from, other things I do.
Okay.
So, but so far, self-confidence, yes. I can talk about certain things without fearing. Yeah.
Endorsement wise, have you started getting some endorsements as an entertainment industry?
Well, I'm not going to respond to that long as it's improving. So I can't know in 5 years, but what I know, 2024, a lot of film industries, the companies, they're really working. Yeah. So UFF, it's gonna be tough for you guys because we are bringing it on.
Your final words to your fans, to the film lovers?
Hi, I don't know if I really have fans yet because I've been on and off. Yeah, but this year, my fans, because I'm working. Yeah, I'm working on good stuff.
Njagala ka interview kana. Munyingideko nenjirabako nnungi. So basically,